up, you guys? Welcome to Sprinkle Sugar Pop. If you're new, my name is Christina. Welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to use this geometric heart mold. It's super easy. I will be showing you guys step by step. So if you're interested, keep on watching. Okay, you guys, so here are the things that you need. I used around 9 ounces of chocolate, I believe, like around 9. And then also I am using a popsicle stick to move the chocolate around and your geometric silicone mold. Okay, so now we're gonna start melting our chocolate. So I put my chocolate in the microwave for 30 seconds, and as you guys can see, it needs more time. I do want to mention that my microwave is giving me some problems. I don't know why. Maybe it's old. I don't know. But it's going to take longer than usual to melt, so bear with me. Also, I do want to mention that everybody has a different microwave, so it might be different for you. Maybe your chocolate melts faster than mine or slower than mine, but always mix your chocolate around because you don't want it to burn. Okay, so now that your chocolate is fully melted, you are going to add it into your mold. Make sure you cover all the creases and all the edges. When you are doing this process, make sure your chocolate is runny and not setting because it will create some white marks on your heart when you take it out of the mold. Once you're done covering your heart with chocolate, drop your heart a couple times to remove any air bubbles. Now pop it in the fridge for 10 minutes. I do recommend to use a timer. Meanwhile, I wait. I like to put my chocolate inside the microwave so the microwave light can keep my chocolate at room temperature. Okay, you guys, so it's been 10 minutes. It's ready for a second layer. But if you left your heart in the fridge for too long and it started to sweat, please do not add the second layer yet because it will not bond. It will give you problems when you try to remove the heart from the mold. So before adding the second layer, please let it sit for a couple minutes until it dries. Okay, so now we are going to start adding the second layer. I like to start with the edges. I go around 2 to 3 times. Once I'm done with the edges, I go ahead and pour in the rest of the chocolate inside the heart. Once you're done, go ahead and pop it in the fridge for about 7 minutes or until it hardens. Our heart is ready. Now it's time to take it out of the mold. I do recommend to take it slow, do it gentle, because you do not want to break anything or else you will start all over again. Okay, so once you're done detaching all these sides from the mold, start peeling off the mold very carefully and slow. So here you go, a beautiful, perfect heart. If you do follow all these steps, you will not have any issues with your heart. This is pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Also, comment down below if you learned any new tips or tricks. Also, I will be having one-on-one coaching on my website at sprinklesugarpop.com. And also, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss out any new videos. And yeah, thank you so much for watching and see you on my next video. Bye!